Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, and today I'm going to be designing my dream apartment in The Sims. And those of you who may not be familiar with my channel, like I love The Sims, like I love it, love it, love it. So any chance I get, any opportunity I get, I'm like in it, building, decorating in it, because I just think it's such a fun, creative outlet. So that's where the inspiration for today's video came from. So without further ado, let's just jump into this. Okay guys, so luckily for me, there is actually a world in The Sims that's a city-based world, which is so handy, but the only buildings you can actually like freely build in is the penthouses. So just imagine that it's not a penthouse and it's like actually, you know, within the actual building, if that makes any sense. So like it took me a while to kind of figure out the scaling and everything of this space I wanted to do, because I didn't want it to be like, I wanted it to be as close as possible to the original design I done in SketchUp, but as well, I mean, it's The Sims, so it can only be so accurate. And the whole vibe for my dream apartment is very like relaxed, calm, open, a bit of luxury, a bit of, it's clean, there's no clutter, it's just a very free-flowing space. There's nothing like too particular in any particular space. You know, as you can see, when I get to the living room, there will be like, there's like a couch, and then there's like 3 kind of accent chairs, and 2 of them are the same pattern and color, and then there's one that's like an odd one out, and then there's like 2 coffee tables. It's just a bit like, you know, eclectic. I mean, I feel like it's eclectic. And then I have like a little tray then, you know, for coffee and tea, you know, for when you're entertaining and all that sort of good stuff. But right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to figure out the shelving area, because if you remember, if you watched the original video, I mean, if you haven't, it'll be linked down below, or it'll be flashing across the screen on top here. You just click that card and it'll take you directly to that video. So in that video I done like a built-in shelving area that runs from the first floor all the way to the second floor, because it is kind of a studio loft kind of vibe in this apartment, as well as have it's a big apartment, but it's also like a studio loft style. That was the inspiration for it. So there's some 2-story areas, like where the walls are like 2 stories high, which is so beautiful. Oh my god, like, that's like my dream, is having a room that's like 2 stories high. Oh my god, I just think it looks and feels so amazing, like, oh, so grand, so beautiful. So yes, so what I'm doing is I'm putting in the windows, but the ground floor is actually bifolding doors, so they kind of open up and let all the fresh air in. So it's not like just enclosed windows, so you have some fresh air and access to the balcony from pretty much every space, every room downstairs. So just putting in the floor now, and then when I was putting in the floor I realised that I hadn't actually thought about what kind of floor I put in my dream apartment. So I just put in this kind of black flooring. It's kind of like, it has a sheen to it, but I wouldn't really want a sheen on my floor. I'd maybe do like, you know, like an antique French oak or something. I think that would look really nice. Yeah, so I'm just putting in the stairs now, going up to my bedroom area, which is like the open kind of whatever, my bedroom area. And for some reason the stairs were like actually really weird, like they were going invisible, which maybe might just be glitch in the game, I don't know. It was just seriously annoying. And then we started decorating my studio office. So in my dream apartment I'd love to have like a big area where I can work in, because I just think it's like really exciting. And I wanted a space with loads of storage, or like loads of surface space. So you have loads of space just to spread your work out and just get creative and not be like held back with like space limitations. So you just have like so much space. And I'm just putting in some like kind of storage now. Like they're supposed to be for a kitchen, but like, I mean, you just have to work with what you've got in The Sims. It's just getting a bit creative, and I love that rug. I just think it's so interesting, like the shape of it, and the colors are just so like vibrant. And then I'd have like 2 tables. So I put one of them for like kind of meetings, you know, if I'm talking to clients. That one's obviously at the window, you know, so it's so when you're showing them like your plans and stuff, it's all very well lit. And then I just put these beautiful rows of floral arrangements, all on 3 different heights in that table as well. And then like a little tea set, just so when you're entertaining whatever, or you're having meetings, you can have some coffee and tea and just chill and relax and have a good time, you know. And then obviously in my studio to be paint cans like everywhere because I like to paint. And then I'd also have like a little area to hang your coat and stuff as you come in, because when I'm older, like I'd like to have like a team of designers that work with me, just so you know it's more efficient. We can work more efficiently, and that's where they can leave their coats and stuff when they come in. Oh, and that curtain thing I just thought was a really cool idea, that you could just slide it across if you wanted more privacy. So you can just kind of put it in whatever you want. You know, if you're working and there's too much sunlight coming in, you kind of want like it to be a bit more dark, or the sun's like glaring in your eyes, you can just cover it up with that. I just thought it was a good idea. And then if you see on the wall there, we have like all our magazines that we've been on. So like like Architectural Digest, all these amazing Elle Decor, Vogue Living, all the amazing magazines, kind of the covers would be put into frames and put on the wall there. So guys, now we're in the living room and we're furnishing up that area. And as you can see, did I change the colour of that chair, the yellow one? Oh I did, okay. Yeah, because I wanted some sort of balance, and then I thought this rug kind of clashed with the vibe of the space, so I decided to change that. Oh, I think that... And the rug section isn't very, you know, huge in the Sims, which is really annoying. Oh, I just love that plant so much. Like, literally, I admire that plant. And then just putting some awards on the fireplace, you know, so when I have company over, they can see how achieved I am. And then I just scale these down. And I was going putting like a few of them in a row, but they just didn't look nice, didn't have that impact I was looking for. And then I just kind of kept two because I wanted to be a bit more like relaxed and calm sort of vibes going on in the space. So I was trying to figure out what to put on the tables. So I decided, I think I decided on like a tea set and like a plant. I just love the living area so much. I just think it's so like relaxing and like simple, but it still has like character, if you know what I mean. Like I just think it's such a nice space. And could you imagine sitting there and then looking up and seeing like just three kind of layered chandeliers, so like maybe three different styles, but like really luxurious crystal chandeliers hanging down over you, and then that double story height, as well as the windows. Oh my god, like, is that not goals? I mean, I'm sorry, but like, goals. Oh yes, we're in the walk-in wardrobe now, and I decided to put like kind of black wood paneling all in there. Oh god, so luxurious. I just think like that dark kind of wall coverings is just so like moody and like calm and oh, just relaxing. Like I just love that vibe. And I'm just decorating the bedroom now, so yeah, I love that rug. It's like painted, it's so beautiful. Yeah, I decided to go with the grayer kind of color wood in this space because I just thought I felt the look, it fit the vibe better. Wait, did I go with the grey one? Oh yeah, and then I changed the bed because I hate this bed. I hate the blue pillows. I hate it. I mean, I don't mind the bed coverings. Like I wish I could just go in and individually select them. That'd be so amazing. And then I just put like a little seating area at the bottom of the bed, just because, you know, when you're reading a book, or it just looks nice. To be honest, it just looks nice. That's why I put it in, and it kind of makes better use of the space. Like I just love that. Oh god, I just love it. And then I've seen this little kind of metal framed thing in one of the catalogs, and I just thought that would look really cool behind the bed. It would add some shadows and depth and dimension to the space and some interest, because it's like a white kind of stone textured wall. I just thought that would look really cool against it. It has like a very Moroccan vibe, that sculptural thing. And then I put in like a architectural drawing here because I just thought it was really cool. And obviously a shelf underneath it, just so to put some like decoration items, you know. And then I was looking, I was like, the wall just looks so like bare, and I was like, how could I add some Moroccan texture to it? So I decided to put these oversized curtains either side of the bed, and I thought that was really nice because, you know, is there a window back there? Is there not? Who knows? And I just think it looks very cool. I just think it looks really nice. That is a bathroom, if you're wondering. That is in the walk-in wardrobe. It's like an ensuite as well, so there's a bathroom there. And then I was just trying to figure out the best way I could to kind of give that built-in walk-in wardrobe sort of vibe and look. And I know there's so much there's probably so much more better ways to do this, but like this is just what I was feeling when I done this. Okay guys, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'll check in with you when it's fully completed and I'm saying goodbye and whatever. But I do really hope you enjoy the rest of this video. and I will chat to you soon. Okay guys, and that is me designing my dream apartment in The Sims. I really hope you enjoyed. Please let me know down in the comments what's your favorite item in this space. Do you like the whole studio loft vibe with the luxurious mix? Like, I just want to know, guys. Tell me down below. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that little notification bell just so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.